Hey guys, it's Jim here with another Cryptohopper update. In this video, we're going to talk about what is auto DCA, how to use it, and why. Dollar cost averaging is something that you can do rather than using a stop loss. Okay, so if a trade goes south on you, if you buy $100 of Bitcoin at a certain price and then the price drops maybe 10%, you could buy another $100 worth of Bitcoin. So that would mean you've got an average cost of somewhere between the first price and the second price. So it would be halfway because it's $100. Okay, so I'd rather just show you what it would look like if you were to look at it on a chart. All right, so let's have a look. Let's imagine you buy, put this on the daily chart. If you bought Bitcoin at a point such as, I don't know, let's say here. All right, let's say you paid $100 here, and it looked like things were going to go up, but lo and behold, the price drops. All right, so you spent $100. What do? You could, have a stop loss of 2% and sell that $100 position for $98 and lose $2. That's okay. Some people do that. All right, but I prefer to use DCA, dollar cost averaging, because it brings my total position size up to a larger size. So let's say I've got a DCA point set at minus 5%. Or minus 10, keep it simple. All right, so I paid $100 here, the price drops 10%, it's around there, call it there. All right, I'll put a line in there. Okay, so you can see the price dropped 10%, so I pay another $100, buy again because it looks like it's going to go up. But lo and behold, it doesn't. All right. But what I'm saying is, after the first time you DCA, you've spent $200, and your average price that you have paid, obviously, is not here, and it's not here. It's going to be halfway between. You spent $100 each time, and it's dropped 10%. So it's going to be around there, which is around minus 5%. So your position is going to be $200 and your average price is going to be here, but the price has come down to here. Now in this case it went down some more, and you could do another DCA later on. Alright, but I'll keep it simple. So the price is now $200 that you paid, okay, and it comes back up. It comes back up to there. That would be, if it came back up to here, you would be at break even. Your $200 would be worth $200 again. Alright? Now, if it comes up again from that average price, you've got $200, and that position, that $200 position, comes up, let's say it came up 10%, and you sold it. Trying to get to 10. Alright, let's just leave it there. So you got 10% profit there. 10% profit on a $200 position is $20 profit. However, if it had not done a DCA, if you'd have just bought $100 at the original place, let's say here, and it went up to that same point where you sold, which is 32,251. Let's have a look. Let's measure this up. 32,251. 32,251. You would have 4.2%, around 5% actually. All right. So you would have 5% profit on top of $100. So that would be $5. Which is better? A $200 position with $20 profit, which is 10% profit, or a $100 position with $5 profit. Can you see why DCA can be quite handy? You know, and sometimes it's not worth panicking if something goes down in price, because you can always do dollar cost averaging. All right. So basically, dollar cost averaging averages your price out, so you end up eventually buying in at a better price than before. All right. It's better than stop loss, in my opinion. I don't really use stop loss because I don't want to lose a penny when I'm trading, even if it means waiting longer for the trade to come back up and sell in profit. All right. So that is basically how dollar cost averaging works. And how would you set it up in your bot? Well, if we wanted to do the same thing as we did there, buy a position there and then buy a position here to bring us up to the average cost here, that would be 1 DCA. So we DCA here. All right, $100 spent, $200 spent. We've doubled up. So as you can see, I've got mine set to double down. You can use these as a different thing altogether. All right. So I've got my DCA set percentage at 5, but in that example I've just shown you, it was 10. All right, and it was set to DCA 2 times. So using 1 time, that would be the case there, 1 DCA. However, if it drops further, like it did in this instance, it could drop another 10% from your average price, yeah, and then what have you got? You've got 2 DCAs. So now you've spent $400 on 2 DCAs. And imagine the profit when you did another DCA down here. The profit would be a lot bigger than that 10%. It would probably about 15 or 20% profit on a $400 position. So your position size gets bigger as it drops, but it's okay because you know it's going to turn up again eventually. Yeah, and then you've got a bigger position by the time you get down here, and because you've got a bigger position, when it does come back up, you sell it for a much larger profit because the size is bigger. All right, so that's how it all works, and I've got mine right now on this test bot here, which I've been trying for about 40 hours now. I'm bringing you an update on this trading bot later. Alright, and it's currently after 40-ish hours. Let me see. Yes, 40-ish hours. 41 and a half hours actually. So it's only made 0.27%, and that is because what did Bitcoin do last night? It did this. It pumped a little bit and then it dumped quite a chunk. It dumped a good 4%. All the altcoins dumped as well. Now it's coming back up. Well, it was coming back up. Now it's dumped a little bit more. Okay, so I'll bring you another video in around 6 hours giving an update on the results. This number might change. I hope it does. If Bitcoin goes up, this will go up obviously. And as you can see here, there are 2 positions here that did the dollar cost averaging at -5%. So you see that there and that one there, double the size. This is the cost. This is around $10 on each position. So that's nearly $20 there. Alright, so it went down to -5, it did a DCA, and now the average price that we've paid is $19-ish. So I'll discuss that more in the next video. For now guys, I just wanted to leave it here. Oh, by the way, let me just plug my stuff, guys. I have secret source settings, which is a number of videos that I set up just over 3.5 years ago with all of my best settings for Cryptohopper. Best strategy I've discovered over 6 years, and I've shared them with you in my secret sauce. But to qualify to get the secret sauce for free, all you have to do is get Cryptohopper through my link by pressing the link under there. Look, it will bring you to this page here. Watch this short video which gives my Skype details. Contact me on Skype. Click that button there. Watch out for affiliate code 15412 in the URL. Watch, because it disappears. Watch this. There you go, it'll disappear. There you go. That's normal. If you see my affiliate number 15412 in the URL and then it disappears, that's fine. Alright, and then I will give you access to my secret sauce, and I will also help you on Skype and on the new Telegram group that I've just created. Also guys, when you go to buy Cryptohopper, use this coupon code. It should be still running for the next couple of weeks. Jim Cryptohopper in all caps, and you'll get a discount. Alright, you get a nice little discount. I'm not sure what the discount is. I wasn't told actually. I don't know if it's 10% or 25% or what. Alright, so use that code guys, only for the next couple of weeks. I'm going to have to talk to my affiliate manager later. Alright, so you get access, secret sauce, that's all free, bunch of videos setting you up. Then you get access to me on Skype to help you out if you have any problems, and help in Telegram as well. It's a group that I'm building up of Cryptohopper users that have gone through my link, okay? So there'll be no spammers and scammers in there, and it'll be perfectly safe for us to all hang out and test things out and try and improve everybody's bots, yeah? Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and if you want to be extra helpful, click on that share button guys to your social. Alright, that helps even more than anything else, I believe. Alright, I'll see you in the next video guys. Take it easy. Bye bye.